Díomh guys fáilte chuig Léigh Arís episód eile mis Liam seo Ernie an hippopotamus dágin an segus ba mun le beagnaín faoi agus scéaltáis brolach an drocóir unfortunately kind of sad story faoi ag an second nó go ach mars gannach Léigh Arís ba mun ag léibh gá alt tíidir fannáiscils cean amháin an seo extra.ai agus cean eile freisin tuairisc ní mé I gcónaí ag géirí a bheith ag léibh ó extra.ai because tuairis.ai is a bit more challenging and you could learn how to read it really well on a website like this ach an sin chain to go tuairisc nó chain to go nos.ai nó bheo agus tá sin níos deachar so tá mé géirí is más cean a bheith agat le haid daoine difriúla ag caiideán difriúla for different people at different levels. First story today is about Ernie, a hippopotamus who recently passed away in Dublin Zoo? It is Dublin Zoo. And then a story later on as well about the appointment and the delay in an appointment of a language commissioner up in the north in Northern Ireland. There. Okay, so on Cade Ceann, guys, that was just on Léigh, Bidger and Cade, Shane or shocked, Alton showed the first 6 or 7 paragraphs, agus an sin tintimid, so it's Brishu Shees air in ye. Okay, we'll do a bit of a breakdown on it after. So, it is by Fisherchan bun in ye boss tubben hippo Ernie a hánig ddíreach seachtaí ó hin ó hasna. Tá dohreach ó hánig ó zúh Lochlia, ddíreach an bhí se caite taréis bháis, rud a dá goil an Éireann an scrista. Hánig Ernie an dohreach go Lochlia ó West Midland Safari Park a Sasna ag deire bhí Ibran. Tá a bhás tubban á Isrúinis le fálamach go craoin chunas sa fór sé bás de ráis ón zú tá zú bhaile clia an bhrónach a ógurt bás Ernie ar nómharach féran. Bhí Ernie a tháinig go West Midlands Ferry Park le déanaí bríomhar agus sa zú, bhí sé ag socrú isteach go maith ag léirú an náidir fisreach agus go níomhach ina thimpeallacht nua. Okay, so this is slightly easier of the two articles, but there are still a few things there grammatically that can be a bit tricky, but quite a good article to go through. Okay, so if we start off with the first line, and the article written by Chloe O'Keefe. By Fisherchan bun, guys, is kind of similar to shul, okay, but often it indicates more so at the start. So shul could be going on kind of at any point in the process, or bun normally at the start. So it's very similar to underway. Okay, there's an investigation. Fisherchan, anything to do with Fisru, is always related to investigating, investigative. The verb to investigate, which we'll see later on. So by Fisherchan, so there will be a investigation bun underway, essentially. Okay, so shul is kind of going on or happening, bun is underway or kind of afoot. Inia boss tubben, so after the sudden death. Remember, Inia is one of our ways of saying after. The other is tareish. Inia is slightly trickier to use sometimes because we're kind of using it in the more genitive way that it's in the wake of. Okay, so in the wake of the sudden death of Ernie, or of a hippo, otherwise called Ernie, as we see in this sentence. Tubben for sudden, good tubben suddenly. A good example of how the go in Irish is often used to make it into an adverb. In other words, the go is like the ly in English. Éasca, easy, gahéasca, easily. Inia boss tubben, in the wake, or basically in the aftermath of the sudden death of Ernie the hippo. A hánig ddíreach shock.